know you need help with social media marketing, but how do you decide which social platform is right for your business? Business owners are busy running their business. It's not like you're hanging out on social media all day. So, do you have to use all the networks? And what's the difference between Twitter and Facebook and LinkedIn and Pinterest? How do you decide? Should you focus on one? Should you focus on all of them? By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently decide which social platform is right for your industry and your business model. Check this out. Is your target customer between the ages of 12 and 22 and primarily from outside of the US? What 12-year-old has money to spend? But if that's your target customer, you're in luck because that is the population of Instagram. Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just telling you what the data says. I'm Kate Murray. I spent 14 years in corporate and agency marketing, and I've helped hundreds of business owners leverage the power of digital to increase their leads and their revenues. And now it's your turn. So the first and most important thing to consider when you're thinking about choosing a social platform is who exactly is your target customer and what is your target customer doing when they're online? Depending upon exactly who your target customer is, there's a good chance that Instagram is not for you. So go ahead and check that one off the list. Here's something else to consider. Facebook, who owns Instagram, took away the most important part of small business marketing back in 2017 when they were in the news for all of those privacy violations. So what that means for small business is that you're probably not seeing much engagement on your Facebook business page. And if you're running ads, you're probably paying out the wazoo because you're not aware of how audience targeting really works. Now, if you are expecting to target a cold audience on Facebook and you are implementing some of the more sophisticated social media marketing strategies, you can definitely get results at a very low cost per click. However, if you are a business owner and you are just fiddling around within the ads manager and you don't really know what you're doing, it's going to cost you a lot of money and you're going to be so upset that you're not getting the results that you hoped for or the results that you're hearing about and seeing people talk about. So just as an example, this right here is a very good cost per click at 28 cents. But that was just the month of October. So even if you go back and look at September and October, you can obviously see that we're still running on 26 cents per click. So yes, it is still possible to get good results while running Facebook ads, but you've got to know exactly what to do. Let's talk about Twitter next. Twitter is more of a news source. So it works well for people who are in the entertainment industry or politics, of course, or if you're a huge, gigantic global brand, Fortune 500, Fortune 100 company. Those are the people who are hanging out on Twitter. If you're a small business owner, you're going to be drowned out on Twitter. Let's talk about what's really working right now in digital advertising, especially for businesses that have a target customer that's a woman head of household. But first, let me know in the comments below, do you think that Pinterest can really increase your business revenue? So here's the deal with Pinterest. If your target customer happens to be female, middle to upper class income, primarily college educated, primarily from the United States, then Pinterest is worth taking a look at. Here are some of the industries that do particularly well using Pinterest: home decor and real estate, fashion and beauty, DIY, education and learning, kids, families, gardening, food, health and fitness, and alternative medicine. If your business and target customer falls into one of these industries, then Pinterest is definitely a great platform for you. By the way, did you know that we offer social media management services for a variety of businesses and industries? Now that we've talked about Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, let's talk about one more of the top networks that you should know about, and that is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional business-to-business network. So if you're selling coaching and training services or SaaS, software as a service, LinkedIn is the place for you to be. LinkedIn is the platform of choice for business-to-business marketing. It's become the world leader in connecting people with job opportunities that match their skills. But
Unfortunately, if you're a business owner, you also know that it's a place where old school sales prospecting techniques are in full swing. So listen, instead of sending a cold, direct message to someone on LinkedIn, there's a better way to get your message right into the inbox of people who are your exact target market. And this is a far better technique than spending your days sending those cold, direct messages one by one, which is really nothing more than the modern day equivalent of a cold call. If you've ever been on the receiving end of a cold, direct message, you know that it just doesn't resonate with a professional audience. Instead, using a perfectly crafted attraction marketing campaign will produce far better results if your target market is B2B. Last but not least, there's YouTube. Video marketing can work for businesses of all sizes, but there is so much that goes into scripting, recording, and producing a video that if I talked about it in this video, it would be 2 hours long. So instead, take a look at my video marketing playlist that has different videos on various topics, all related to video marketing. Or you can read this blog post about getting started with video. There's a link in the comments below.
Before you go and click off to another video, if you found this helpful in deciding which social network is right for your business, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up. And if you need help with your social media marketing, click on that link in the comments below to see what I can help you with. And finally, if you want even more tips on how to grow your business with social media, be sure to click that subscribe button because I post a brand new video every Wednesday. Thanks for watching. See you next time.